Okay. Now we're painting it. There's the painter. Looking good.
It's gonna look nice, huh?
Yeah.
You see the nice blue water now in there?
Yeah. Nice new liner.
Nice blue water in there. Can't get too much of a rush to paint this. Now I got the rope in the way. I don't know where to put it.
Oh, you guys painting this other side, or?
I was inside here painting the sides inside.
Oh,
But I
that's,
can't be on the outside. I can't be in it because it's too high for me.
use that cast iron thing. You run the wire off the cast iron thing.
Yeah, I might have to do that so I don't touch my paint.
Or did I go the touching cord in the back door? Go out that way.
Do something.
It's a lot of painting.
Oh yeah, I gotta do 2 coats too.
2 coats.
Yeah. Yeah, gonna get started. It'll look nice. It'll be good.
I was a big man yesterday, but all you want to see me now.
A lot of dust, huh?
Takes a lot of years.
Big yesterday, but all you want to see me now. I brag too long that your love was strong, but every
See how it's tall on him?
Yeah.
He wanted me to get in there and do all the top. I can't. It killed my
You
arm.
need a ladder. Good, Jim.
Huh?
Yeah, put that extension cord at the back door, right, Dad?
Want me to do it to that door over there? That door.
The extension cord, right?
Oh, extension cord.
So disconnect your. Never mind.